The Import Vehicle community presents our 2019 Import Product and Marketing Awards. First up, Best Functional Fluid for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to CRP Automotive. This product was judged on market demand, profit potential for distribution chain, and approvals and certifications. Best Merchandising or Advertising of a Product for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Continental. This award goes to a merchandising or advertising concept that is creative, well-designed, and has a strong impact on the audience. Best Electronic Media for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Dayco. This category includes all forms of electronic media, including websites, social media platforms, and mobile apps. This product was judged on design, presentation, and ease of navigation. Best Print or Electronic Catalog of a Product Line for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Standard Motor Products. This catalog was judged on design, layout, and organization, comprehensiveness, and up-to-date coverage. Best Problem Solver for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Spectra Premium Industries. This product was designed as a solution to OE product failures. It was judged on innovation, ingenuity, functionality, and impact on the market with installers. Best Packaging of a Product for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Continental. The packaging is well designed with easy-to-understand labels and successfully protects the contents from damage. Best New Tool for Repairs on Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to Redline Detection. This product was launched between AAPEX 2018 and AAPEX 2019. It was judged on innovation and ingenuity, impact on technicians and consumers, and functionality. Best Performance Product or Accessory for Import Cars or Trucks. The award goes to ATEC TPMS Tools. This product was judged on enhancements and upgraded features over OE performance, reliability, and efficiency. Best New Product or Product Line for Import Cars or Trucks. This award goes to APC Automotive Technologies. This product was launched between AAPEX 2018 and AAPEX 2019. It was judged on innovation and ingenuity, market need, and appeal. And our final category this year, the Best Overall Import Aftermarket Product or Product Line. The award goes to Akebono Brake Corporation. This product was judged on commercial success, quality reputation, market demand, presentation, and packaging. Congratulations to all of our Import Vehicle Community 2019 Import Product and Marketing Award winners.